of quadratic video series. And let's move to the video. So my question is square minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now this is little bit different than the previous videos. So we have positive number as the last number. That means positive 6. So 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. But the problem is the middle value is negative. Middle value is negative. So to become the last number or else to become a product positive value, what we have to do is we have to make both numbers negative or both numbers positive. But to take the middle value negative, then both numbers must be negative. Okay. So now easy. So if 1 and 6 is negative, then the answer is negative 7. No? So I can eliminate this one. So negative 3 and negative 2 add up to negative 5. Yes, now that is the answer. So the answer is x minus 2 and x minus 3 equals 0. So I can write x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 3 equals 0. So x equal 2 or x equal 3. That's easy now because we have discussed these things in so many videos before. Ne? This is very easy now. So our next question is x square minus 6x plus 8. Okay, so I have to make positive 8. 2 times 4, 1 times 8. Yes, that's it. So I have to make the middle number negative 6. Then both numbers must be negative. So negative 2 and negative 4 will make negative 6, right? So I found the answers now. These questions are so much easy, but you need the practice. Then you can just look the question and tell the answer. Minus 2, minus 4. So, x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. Then x equal 2 or x equal 4. Very easy, right? Moving to the next question. X square minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. So, positive 10, we can make positive 10 by 1 multiplied by 10 or 2 multiplied by 5. As the middle value is negative, both the numbers should be negative. So, negative 2 and negative 5 add up to negative 7. So, that is the solution. So, x here and x here, negative 2 and negative 5. So, x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. Then x equal 2 or x equal 5. Very easy. So, the fourth question now. X square minus 13x plus 30 equals 0. Now we have to make positive 30. 1 multiplied by 30, 2 multiplied by 15 or else 3 multiplied by 10. Now what is the middle value? Yes, middle value is negative 13, then negative 3 and negative 10. X minus 3, x minus 10 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0 or x minus 10 equals 0. Then x equals 3 or x equals 10. Very easy. So the last question we are going to discuss under this video. That is x square minus 10x plus 9 equal 0. So we have to make positive 9. 1 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 3. So, the middle value is negative 10. Then the answers are negative 1 and negative 9. So, x minus 1, x minus 9, which is x minus 1 equals 0 or x minus 9 equals 0. So, x equal 1 or x equal 9. That's it. So I think you got a clear understanding about how to find solutions from the quadratic equations. So in the next video, as the part 4 of quadratic equation, we are going to find the solutions in difference of two squares. So let's meet soon.